Voice of Korea.
This is Voice of Korea.
This is Voice of Korea.
This is Voice of Korea.
Now we begin the English language translation from Pyongyang, the capital of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea.
Electricity Chorus, Sonat General Kim Il-sung. Series name Carlos, Senate General Kim Jong-un. You're listening to Voice of Korea News Now. The website of the Polish chapter of the Korean Friendship Association recently posted a famous work of respected Kim Jong-un. The great Kim Il-sung is the eternal leader of our party and our people. Foreign mass media reported the news of the revolutionary activities of respected Kim Jong-un between the 2nd and the 10th. The Russian press, the Japanese Kyodo News, the Cambodian newspaper Action Papier, the Senegalese newspaper Le Populaire, and the Miami television reported the news. The Supreme Commander of the Korean People's Army, Kim Jong-un, visited the Kumsusan Palace of the Sun together with commanding officers of the Korean People's Army. The Nepalese newspaper Arapan and the Indian newspaper Asia Khabar Daily carried the news of his full guidance to the Changchun Festival property farm in Sadong District, Pyongyang, which radically changed its looks to be a modern standard of the socialist rural cultural construction. The mass media of Cambodia, Myanmar, and Nepal carried his photographs. An Ethiopian preparatory committee was recently formed in Addis Ababa to celebrate the 70th anniversary of the founding of the Workers' Party of Korea and the liberation of Korea. The committee decided to organize various political and cultural events on the occasion of the significant holidays of Korea. Seminars recently took place in Austria and Libya, a lecture in Mali, and a book exhibition in Nigeria on the occasion of the 21st anniversary of the demise of the great leader Kim Il-sung. Messages to respect the Kim Jong-un were adopted at the events held in Austria and Libya. Delegations of political parties and organizations and personages of various sections in many countries recently visited the Democratic People's Republic of Korea missions in their countries on the occasion of the 21st anniversary of the demise of the great leader Kim Il-sung. Delegations of political parties and organizations and presidencies of different sections of Romania, Mexico, Russia, Cuba, Britain, Kuwait, Nigeria, and many other countries, and military attaché corps in Cuba laid flower baskets and bouquets before the smiling portraits and joined folding pictures of the great leaders Tunisia and Tanzania and paid a tribute to them. Floral baskets were sent to the DPRK embassies by the Narcotica branch of the United Russia, the Narcotica City Administration Government, the International Marine Club in Narcotica City, and the Parasitanska City Assembly in Russia, the Cuban Institute of Friendship with the Peoples, the Popular Liberation Movement of Angola,